Just like your country's defense system protects it from the foreign invasions, your body also has a defense system that protects you from the harmful foreign objects. This defense system is known as immune system. This video explains about how you can improve its performance by just adding few changes to your lifestyle. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode.
Hello, aspiring Sarvajnanis. Welcome to my channel. Here are the most important ways to boost your immunity naturally. It's no surprise to know that vitamins play an important role in bringing balance to your immune system. The most important vitamins to boost your immunity are vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin A. Foods rich in vitamin C include oranges, grapefruits, cantaloupes, tangerines, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, cranberries, bell peppers, spinach, kale, and broccoli. Daily intake of vitamin C is essential for good health because your body doesn't produce or store it. Vitamin C is in so many foods, and people usually don't need to take a vitamin C supplement. Vitamin B6 can be naturally consumed through poultry such as chicken or turkey, fish, milk, bread, oatmeal, brown rice, eggs, vegetables, spinach, bananas, and soya beans. Vitamin E can be found in vegetable oils such as sunflower, safflower, corn, and soybean oils, nuts such as almonds, peanuts, and hazelnuts, seeds such as sunflower seeds, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and avocados. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because the sun is one of the best sources of this nutrient. Spend some time under the sun in the morning time. One type of cholesterol in your skin is converted into vitamin D when it is exposed to UVB radiation from the sun. In addition to that, eating fatty fish, seafood, and drinking milk also helps in maintaining good vitamin D levels. Foods rich in vitamin A include beef or lamb liver, cod liver oil, fish, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, broccoli, and sweet red pepper. You can also use multivitamin supplements prescribed by your doctor. But remember, the natural ways are always better. Just like vitamins, minerals like zinc, selenium, iron, and folic acids are also needed to promote immunity by improving cellular immunity and helping in antibody production. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, red meat such as beef, lamb, and pork, poultry such as chicken and turkey, tofu, pumpkin seeds, pine nuts, lentils, mushrooms, kale, and dark chocolate. Selenium can be consumed from nuts like Brazil nuts and walnuts, fish, beef, poultry, grains, eggs, mushrooms, and bananas. Excellent sources of iron are green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, broccoli, asparagus, parsley, and seaweed. Iron can also be found in animal based foods, including red meat, poultry, and seafood. Folic acid can be found in beans, peas, lentils, asparagus, eggs, green vegetables, beets, citrus fruits, broccoli, and avocados. When we are stressed, the immune system's ability to fight off antigens is reduced. That is why we are more susceptible to infections. It is very important to reduce your stress levels if you want to develop better immune system. Yoga and meditation provides natural support to the immune system by lowering the stress hormones in your body. Practice at least 20 to 30 minutes of yoga with meditation every day.
Regular exercise improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, helps control body weight, and protects against a variety of diseases. Good circulation allows the cells and substances of the immune system to move through the body freely and do their job efficiently. Moderate exercise for about 30 minutes a day will help in managing the stress levels as well. During sleep, the immune system releases proteins called cytokines, which help promote sleep. Certain cytokines need to increase when you have an infection or inflammation, or when you are under stress. Sleep deprivation may decrease production of these protective cytokines. Infection fighting antibodies and cells are reduced during periods when you don't get enough sleep. Adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night for improved health and well being. Water helps to carry oxygen to your body cells, which results in properly functioning systems. It helps your body naturally eliminate toxins and other bacteria that may cause illness. Water with lemon juice squeezed in may also help digestion and aid in detoxification. The amount of water to be consumed vary by the climatic conditions, body weight, metabolism, but it is generally recommended to drink about 8 8-ounce glasses, which is about 2 liters or half a gallon per day. Alcohol destroys the bacteria present in the intestines that maintain the immune system health. Alcohol also damages the immune cells and fine hairs in the lungs that have the important job of clearing the pathogens out of the airway. When alcohol is consumed, the liver prioritizes the process of breaking down the alcohol over removing harmful toxins from the body. In addition, alcohol has dehydrating effect which has ill effects while fighting off an infection. Smoking compromises the equilibrium or balance of the immune system. Cigarette smoking contains more than 7,000 chemical compounds, which can interfere with the immune system. Smoking also results in lower levels of protective antioxidants in the blood, which makes the body more prone to the infections. So the bottom line is stay away from smoking and drinking alcohol. Compared to other types of teas, green tea contains powerful antioxidants and nutrients that help regulate blood sugar, improve brain function, and enhance metabolism. It has essential minerals, bioactive compounds, and fat burning qualities. It also helps in increasing the detoxification process in the body. Garlic has been used for centuries as both a food ingredient and a medicine. Allicin, a compound in garlic, contains sulfur that boosts the disease-fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses. Ginger and turmeric are known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They are also known to improve brain function, heart health, and lower blood sugar. Ginger contains a compound known as gingerol that works hard to fight the infections. The beneficial bacteria introduced through the probiotics in our gut help crowd out harmful bacteria, making it harder for them to thrive. Probiotic bacteria can influence the activity of our own immune cells, regulating inflammation, barrier function, and cell-to-cell signaling. Foods with rich source of probiotics include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, miso, kombucha, traditional buttermilk, and fermented cheese. The first line of defense is to keep germs away from your system by following good personal hygiene habits. Skin is an important part of the immune system as it acts as a protective barrier between germs and your body. Wash your hands before preparing food and after using the bathroom. Wash and bandage all cuts so that the germs cannot enter your body. Do not pick at healing wounds or squeeze pimples. And now, the fact of the day. Edward Jenner, an English physician and scientist, is called as the father of immunology.
Jenner was the pioneer of the smallpox vaccine, as his experiments opened the pathway of the discovery of the immune system. He observed the immune capabilities by injecting pus of an infected person to a healthy host. The healthy person was not infected. Rather interestingly, the antigen in the pus activated the immune response.